What went wrong, Lieutenant?
Who else knew where he was?
What?
Who else knew where he was?
What are you implying?
Well, they knew where to look for him, and they used your name to get in.
Are you suggesting I disclosed his whereabouts?
Somebody did. It didn't come from us.
That's hardly the issue.
It certainly is. I've got an officer with a family. He's shot up pretty bad.
And I've got a witness who can't talk.
I want to know about Ross. What was the deal you made with him?
Deal? Lieutenant, don't try to evade the responsibility. In your parlance, you blew it. You knew the significance of his testimony, yet you failed to take adequate measures to protect it. So to you, it was a job, no more. Were it more? Had you the dedication I was led to believe?
You believe what you want. You work your side of the street, and I'll work mine.
Lieutenant, I shall personally officiate at your public crucifixion if Ross doesn't recover during the course of the hearing, so I can at least present his deposition. And I assure you I shall not suffer the consequence of your incompetence. And even if there wasn't any, I'm rather certain I can prove negligence on your part. There may be another attempt on his life. I'll be back in the morning with my people.